best with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, lasers, welding equipment, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you real nice machines, very interesting, kind of unique. You don't see them too often, but they are amazing machines for what they do. They don't even look like they do a lot. All it is these two wheels right here. This head comes down. This is a Peck Planisher. A Planisher is going to go ahead and take a weld like this, flatten it, and make it so that it's going to be not as brittle. It's going to be a little more malleable from that. It's going to be a stronger weld, let alone be perfectly clean. So if you had some kind of food apparatus, some type of tank like that, if you're working with it, aircraft industry, you can't have the seam. You'll see this wears that right through and makes it just metal again. Now, I just wanted to kind of show you another machine that's kind of similar. They kind of go together. This is a seam line welder. You can see this pipe down here. Now, this was just a rolled piece of sheet metal. You put it right into here. You'll see these clamps. That's going to clamp it together. This little welder guy right here is going to run all the way down the line and weld up your piece. You pull it off here, and then you'd bring it on to your Planisher. So I just have a flat piece of sheet metal just for a demo here. We just welded something together so you can kind of see how it works. But you can understand if it is a round tube, you can put the tube right on here. We're going to hit engage metal. That's going to squeeze it down, drop the head. And we have it on in. You can have it on in or out. And what that does, rolls it in or out. So we gently push it through here. You're going to be depending on your head, how hard you're pushing down, your different speeds of your variable speed on there. What that's going to start doing is pushing down this weld and making it perfectly smooth. So if we were to go ahead and adjust it a few times, check over here, you have a few different adjustments. Here's going to be your air pressure for your down feed of your head. And then you'll have over here your variable speed drive. This increases and decreases your speed. And this will be for your pressure. Very simple machine. But when the job gets done, it does look quite amazing. I'm just going to show you how it goes in and out. So now we're on in. You see it bringing it in, back out. Now this is a really ugly weld we made here. You wouldn't have something off a seam welder, but you could see it is starting to flatten it out a little bit. And if you had a nice weld with the seam welder, you'd be able to make a really nice cone or tank or some type of cylinder. Great machine if you're interested. Now we do have other sizes. This one is going to go by the throat depth. So pretty much the biggest piece you can put from here to here, that's how they're going to measure these guys. We have a few other ones depending on what you're looking for. One with even a really nice big support to go ahead and bring your pieces in and out. Give us a call, let us know what you're looking for. 626-444-0311. If you have one of these for sale, we'd be looking for them as well. Give us a call. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.